I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trezor Model T. First, connect your Trezor Model T to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Next, navigate to the official Trezor website to download and install the Trezor Suite application. This software guides you through the initial setup, including device initialization and creating your new cryptocurrency wallet. Remember to carefully write down your unique 24-word recovery seed on the provided card. This is crucial for future access to your funds. Once your Trezor Model T is set up, sending and receiving cryptocurrencies is straightforward. Open Trezor Suite and unlock your device with your PIN. To receive funds, simply navigate to the Receive tab and generate a unique address for your desired cryptocurrency. Share this address with the sender. When sending, select the Send tab, enter the recipient's address, and specify the amount. Always double-check all transaction details on your Trezor's screen before confirming. Security is paramount when using your Trezor Model T. Always confirm every transaction's details directly on your device's physical screen before approving it. Crucially, never share your 24-word recovery seed with anyone. It is the master key to your funds. For added protection, use a strong, unique PIN and consider enabling the passphrase feature. Regularly updating your Trezor's firmware via Trezor Suite ensures you have the latest security enhancements. The Trezor Model T offers more than just basic storage. It supports over 9,000 different cryptocurrencies and tokens, providing vast flexibility. You can even use the integrated exchange feature within Trezor Suite to conveniently swap assets without moving them off your device. For advanced users, explore features like Shamir Backup for a more robust recovery seed solution. Should you need help, the extensive Trezor knowledge base and active community forums are excellent resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.